replacement tent parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Please note that this repair process does not work with our compact or premium tents. Start by removing the screws holding the upper leg bracket to the truss bars and set the screws aside. Remove the screws holding the bottom leg adjuster to the truss bars and set the screws aside. With all the screws removed, pull out the truss legs from the top mounting areas and bottom mounting areas. Place the damaged leg aside and retrieve the new leg. Now, reinsert each truss bar back into place on the new leg. Make sure that the holes in each truss bar line up with the holes on each mounting area. Grab one of your screws and place it back into the bottom leg adjuster and screw tight. Repeat this for the other hole on the leg adjuster. With the remaining 2 screws, reinsert them into the upper leg bracket holes and screw tight. Your tent leg is now repaired.